Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. For today, I am showing you how I go from my usual bald look to this cute red bowl cut quick weave. A week ago on my Instagram story, I put up a poll asking people if I should go back to my normal platinum or try out red, and most people voted red, so we have red. Yeah, well, kind of red, like this burgundy red look. So yeah, it was very easy, very cheap. If you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. Okay, for today's hairstyle, I am starting with a week-old haircut. And for the hair, I'm using Dreamweaver Model 27-piece hair in the color 530. And this is what it looks like after I soaked it in conditioner and water for 30 minutes. I wanted to get rid of that nasty beauty supply store smell. I know you know what I'm talking about. And I also wanted to loosen up the very defined bump that the hair comes with. I'll also be using a raggedy right tail comb, a razor, and some hair glue. For the styling part, I'm going to take a thin line of glue and put it on each track while measuring up the back crown of my head in a U-shaped pattern, like so. And I'm gonna do this until I get about halfway up my head. Okay, once I'm halfway done with my head, I'm going to do the same U pattern but reverse in the front of my head going backwards. I do this so that I can plan where my closure will end up and it won't be too far to the back or too far to the front. Once I form the hole that is the perfect size for the closure to go into, I take the closure, as you can see here, cut the excess netting off of it, and then I put a thin layer of glue around the perimeter of the closure and drop it right in that missing hole. Alright, so this hairstyle is still looking ugly as hell, but if you're still watching, just hang in there. To fix it, I'm using Pump It Up hairspray, a mini iron, a flat iron, beeswax that my dog tried to eat, and a blow dryer. And to start, I'm going to take some Pump It Up hairspray, spray it onto the closure directly, and press down with the blow dryer to make it as flat as possible. Now, this closure is not the new school lace front, seamless, what lace sort of closure. This is a old school $12 pack of hair closure. Remember to flat iron, blow dry this closure if you're going to try it. Prior to this frame, I already started cutting this side of my hair. So you see me going ahead and picking up that line, moving to the other side before I just work my way around my head. I don't want my bang to be blunt, so that's why you don't see me cutting that even with the rest of the cut. I want it to be pointed on purpose. So yeah, just gonna lightly cut that and shape that with my scissors before I move to the razor. And again, I want my closure to be as flat and undetectable as possible. So here I'm just cutting the little hairs that tend to stick up on these sort of closures. after I get the shape I want, I'm going to go in one more time with the flat iron to get that closure as flat as possible. Then I'm going to go around and bump the hair just slightly. I don't want anything too defined. I actually want it to look a little tousled and messy. So just giving it a little bump, using the mini iron in the shorter places, and you'll see me go in with the regular size iron in the longer pieces at the top. Okay, so right here I have the smallest amount of beeswax on my fingertips, and I'm just using that to help shape the hair.
Yes, honey. I love it. I hope you guys love it too. Now I'm going to step off camera, make sure I didn't miss any spots, and I will be right back after I get my face together. Alright y'all, so thank you so much for watching my first video on my YouTube channel. If you would, please like, comment, subscribe, share with your other bald head friends. Give me some suggestions. Follow me on Instagram. I will link everything down below that I used, as well as how you can find me on social media. And I will see you next time.